Hello everyone. Let's do some long division here and see what happens. Starting with part A, we have 4, and we're going to write it as 4.000. There's a clue there that the answer will be a decimal, that will have a decimal. We're dividing that by 11. So, how do we do long division again? We first ask ourselves, how many times does 11 go into 4? Well, 0 times. And 0 times 11 gives us 0, so we'll subtract 0 from that 4. We once again get 4. We'll take a 0 down, and now we ask, how many times does 11 go into 40? Well, 11, 22, 33, 44. So 3 times before 40. So I'm just going to put a decimal point there and write 3, and 3 times 11 is 33. I will subtract 33 from 40, and I get 7, and I take down another 0. How many times does 11 go into 70? 6 times. And 6 times 11 is 66. Whoops. 66. So I'll subtract 66 from 70, and I get 4, and I take down another 0. And how many times does 11 go into 40? Oh, we've already asked that question. Well, it goes in 3 times. So 3 times 11 is 33, and we'll subtract 33 from 40. We get 6. It looks like I'm going to need another 0 here, so I'll take down another 0. How many times does actually, my mistake, 7 should be here. So I'll take down another 0. How many times does 11 go into 70? Oh, we've already tackled that as well. So I know that it goes into 76 times. And 6 times 11 is 66. The difference between 70 and 66 is 4. And I'm back to 40. So now ask yourself, if I keep doing this, is the same thing going to happen over and over again? Because now I know that 11 goes into 43 times. When I take down the 3, I'll end up with 33 again, and the difference will be 7, and I will be asking the same question again. So what's going to happen is if I keep going, I'm just going to keep getting 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, and so on. And it's just going to continue forever and never end. So the way that we express that as a decimal is 0.36, and you put this bar on top of the 36 to indicate that those 2 digits will be repeating forever. So that's the answer to A. All right, let's try part B as well. So we have 21. They give us 4 decimal places with zeros to start with, divided by 37. So I'm going to start with asking myself, how many times does 37 go straight into 21? And the answer is 0. 0 times 37 is 0, and I will subtract that from 21. I get 21. So I'll take down another 0 from here. And how many times does 37 go into 210? You might have to think about this one for a sec, but once you figure it out, you will find that it goes 5 times. So I'm going to carry over this decimal point here and write 5 above the first 0. 5 times 37 is actually 185, so I'll subtract that from 210, and I get 25, and I will take down the second 0. How many times does 37 go into 250? Take a second to think about it, and you'll find that it goes 6 times, and 6 times 37 is 222, so that's what I'll subtract from 250, and what I get is 28. I'll take down the third 0. So how many times does 37 go into 280? The answer is 7 times. And 7 times 37 is 259. Subtracting that from 280, I get 21, and I'll take down the fourth 0. And how many times does 37 go into 210? Oh, we've already asked that question. Why? It goes 5 times. And if I multiply 5 by 37, I will once again get 185. And when you subtract that, you get 25, and you take down another 0. And basically, you will see that pattern repeat, just like in part A. I'm going to find that 37 goes into 256 times, and 6 times 37 will once again be 222, I believe, and the difference will be 28, and the same thing will happen again. So you'll find that the digits 5, 6, 7 repeat. So 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7 forever. So the way that we write that will be 0.567, and I will put the bar above all 3 digits to indicate that those digits are going to be repeating.